Oh, how poor video is this? I will not watch this video. Are you also thinking like this? If you are thinking, so let me tell you one thing. Never ever judge the book by its cover. Okay, getting the point. So, let's come on the topic. In this video, we are going to learn how to start speaking English language. How to speak English language. And some of the people may be thinking about how am I speaking English language, how did I learn English language. So let me tell you one thing. I also didn't know how to speak English language. I also didn't know how to start speaking. So what did I do? At that time I also wanted to learn English language. I also wanted to speak, but I didn't know how to speak, and I didn't have anyone to teach me as well. So at that time, now you know what did I do? I had my phone only, and then after learning some sentences and few vocabularies, I started going towards the remote area. I started going towards remote area. And if you don't know the meaning of remote, so let me tell you. Remote means दूर दराज की जगह. Getting the point? You do watch TV, but not try to learn the meaning of whatever you watch. Okay, so let's come on the topic. After going towards the remote area, I started speaking broken English. And after speaking, while speaking, like if I didn't know how to translate any sentence in English language, so I used to use my phone. Yeah. And you know what, sometimes there used to be no recharge in my phone, but I never stopped speaking. I kept speaking, and after some time I understood how to how to speak English language. So my friend, I would suggest you to speak English language. I would suggest you to start speaking whatever you know. If you don't know if you don't know so many sentences, if you don't know so much vocabulary, just start. Okay, whatever you know. If you know the present tenses, what is this, what is that, this is a cow, this is a horse, this is whatever this is. Okay, if you know this thing only, just start with this. Okay. And if you are thinking like alone, how can we speak after going outside as you did? So you know what, never ever depend on someone. Maybe you get someone or not. So do not depend on someone. Okay, just think about yourself and start with yourself. Okay, so just when you will start it now, after going outside and speaking with yourself, your emotions, whatever you have, whatever you do every day, you can speak there. Okay. And some of the people can think about like, why do you wonder here, why just they think na, they people, they have only one thing. They just ask, what do you do? Okay, they have only one thing. They can speak, they can talk about yourself, they can talk about whatever they see. Okay, they have this work only. But you have to do you have to do your work. Okay, do not depend on someone. So I just really want to say that if you really want to learn English language, whatever you know, start speaking with that. Okay. And after some time you will get that nothing is impossible in this world. We can do everything. And if you don't know so many vocabularies, how to speak, I don't know how to speak English language. I don't know. I know only Hindi language. मैं जाता हूँ, मैं खाता हूँ, मैं पीता हूँ, मैं सोता हूँ, whatever. Only I know this thing. So if you know the meaning of, few vocabularies, if you know, just start with that only. Okay. And then after some time you will be improved. You will improve yourself, and your English will be improved. Okay. So I think so it is enough for today. So thank you for watching this video.